Hello friends, today we are going to see how our mutual fund mobile application works. Let's start with K-Trade Mutual Fund. This is our mutual fund application. Here you have to give user ID and password. I am giving mine, and you have to put submit button. If you don't have password, you can use forgot password option, or you can ask your concerned RM. They will provide you. Let's start with submit button. Automatically it will ask for pin or pattern. I am selecting pattern. First you have to generate pattern, then you have to confirm pattern. Now your portfolio will open. Here you can see your portfolio market value, days change, and purchase cost, dividend, gain, profit and loss, and CAGR. And here is one pie chart. Here you can see your asset allocation, how much in debt fund, how much in equity, how much in commodity. You can see like this. This is our interface, and for transaction you can go to this button. To watch your portfolio, you can choose this portfolio option. If you click on your name, you can see your total portfolio, total value of your portfolio, which are the funds you are having, how much gain, how much loss, everything you can check. Now we will check how to do transaction over mobile application. You have to go to online investment, the second option. In online investment option, we used to do mainly few transactions. These transactions are very important. One is new purchase for lump sum, one is additional purchase for top up, one is SIP, that normal systematic plan, and last option is STP. These few options are very important. Let's start with a new purchase. In new purchase, first you have to choose your profile. Then you have to choose fund house name. Then you have to select category, equity or debt, anything. I am selecting equity. Scheme type, growth or dividend. I am selecting growth. Then you have to select fund name, like I am selecting Axis Blue Chip, and you have to give your desired amount, like I am giving 2500. Then you have to click order button. The order will be pushed and the fund will come to your portfolio. Like this you can purchase lump sum amount. Now we will see additional purchase. First you have to select profile, then you have to select fund house, then you have to select portfolio number. Now you have to select my scheme, which are the schemes you are already having. In that you want to add on, like I want to add in Axis Focus 25 regular growth. Then you have to put amount. I am putting 2500, and if you click order, your additional purchase order will be pushed and the additional unit will come to your account. Now we will check the option SIP. In SIP you have to select profile name, then you have to select mandate. If mandate is not registered, you can ask our back office team to complete the mandate procedure. If not, then you can select not found. Then you have to select fund name, like I am selecting DSP mutual fund. Then you have to select equity, debt category, and you have to select scheme type, growth or dividend. I am selecting equity, scheme type growth. Then you have to select fund, like I am selecting DSP healthcare fund. Then you have to select frequency, mostly it is monthly. Then you have to select amount, like I am selecting 2000 rupees monthly. Then number of installment, here you put 999 or 499. Now you can select start date. I want to start my SIP from July 1st. Set. And do you have account balance in your ledger? Then you can select generate first order today. It means the first transaction will be pushed today and the second transaction will be pushed on 7/01/2020, means 1st of July. And then you can click the order button, your SIP will be punched. Now we will do the last important transaction, redemption. In redemption also you have to select your profile, then you have to select fund name, then you have to select now you have to select fund name, and then you have to select folio number, then you have to select scheme name, then you can select units. In if the fund is in your Demat account, you have to select units, or if you want to redeem full, then you can select all unit, and if you push the order button, the transaction will be punched. These are the main transactions of mutual fund which you can do from your mobile application. Thank you.